Hello guys, it's Bernardo here with another video of a gameplay, but this time I'll be playing Subway Surfers Delta Transylvania. It's the first time, but it's already late, the third week. I had to rush up to finish the challenge. I just downloaded the game. As you'll see, it was brand new. See, I'm gonna turn the sound off. And I'm gonna play the tutorial. Right, we need to let this ghosts. Okay? Up, down, down. Fresh moves. Right again. Left. Left for hoverboard. Okay? I rock. I should go. Looks like we got our first ghost, ladies and gentlemen. And we have to spell wild. Looks like we're about to get our second one, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we did. We got our second ghost in this game. We just completed our first mission in the game. Amazing, isn't it? Looks like we're going for a third. This is getting really quickly. Okay, third one there. Oh, we just got a second letter. Spell wild. We got the W and the Y. We just need the L and the D, and then we are done with our daily mission. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to get our fourth. Oh no, I got denied by the near end of the train. That's our first miss. We're counting. This is 3 out of 4 chances that we had. Let me see what other missions you have to complete. Got 500 coins. Pick up 2 power-ups. Okay. We'll try to pick up the 2 power-ups. And we'll see how the coins go by themselves. We got the Wet L and Wild Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. This is kind of starting to get annoying because first the ghosts were running, they were coming quickly, but now they're, disappearing all. Okay. And there we go. We got wild. Then we get 500 coins. Oh no, a mystery box? Yes. We just need one more power up and we are. There we go, our fourth ghost. And there we have our second power up, and I hope this is another, yes, mission master complete. Okay, now we got 4 out of 6. Looks like we got our 5th there. 5 out of 7. Here we got the mission. So we got 5 out of 8 now. Let's see what other mission. Jump 12 times. Pick up 2 sneakers. Wait, is it jump or roll? Oh man, I'm rolling too much. I think I need to jump more. Yes. I think we need to use another hoverboard. And it's 6 out of 9, ladies and gentlemen. And we have about approximately. Oh, we just missed our first opportunity to grab the boots. 1,004 coins. Yes, we have reached our first our first checkpoint. Our second one will be at 1,500. Hoping we will reach there. Okay, now there we go. Our first boot. Now we just need to get a second one, and we finish another mission master, which is yes, we have done it, ladies and gentlemen. Our mission master is complete. Now we just want to reach, in this game we're going to reach the 3rd checkpoint. Try to reach the 3rd checkpoint, which is 2,000 coins. By the way, this is the first episode of me playing Subway Surfers. I will post the second episode on Sunday. Hopefully Sunday or Saturday, but it's definitely gonna be out there from Saturday to Tuesday. It's going to be out there. Second episode, maybe even 3rd episode is gonna be out there. Oh man, I just missed the mystery box. But it's fine, ladies and gentlemen, I forgot, but we have just passed our second checkpoint, which is 1,500 coins. And this is our last hoverboard. 7 out of 10 that we could have gotten. I think it's 7 out of 11, kind of forgetting. There we go, 7 out of 12. Well, that's good enough. That's about 60%, yes, about 60%. Yes, we got it. Oh man. Guys, we almost to our 3rd checkpoint, which will be the end of this video, unfortunately. But the second episode, we will try to finish the weekly hunt. Yes, we have reached our third checkpoint, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of the video. First, we are going to open the mystery box. We give us 1,000 points, and we are going to double up. Well, Vikings. But if you guys want me to do that Viking game, you can just tell me and I'll really do it, okay? I think I will double this up too. Again, the same video. If you guys want me to do this game, just hit a like button or subscribe to the description below, and I will do anything you guys ask me to do. Well, not everything, some things. Really? Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was it for today. But I will log into the next episode where I will do everything else. See you next time.